Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update iPad OS and make sure you have a charged device and Wi-Fi. Next, sign in with the Apple ID, then open the App Store and install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. Once installed, launch each app and choose Sign in with work or school account. Enter your Office 365 credentials. This gets you directly into the apps, so you can begin syncing files and adjusting basic permissions. Do that now to avoid delays. Once done with installation, focus on file access and sync. Open OneDrive and enable Files integration so Office apps can open cloud documents natively. Turn on background sync and camera upload if needed. Then in Word or Excel, use Open OneDrive to browse and pin important folders for offline use. Make sure you set default save locations to OneDrive rather than local to keep versioning intact. Also review app permissions for contacts and calendar in Settings to allow Outlook and shared. To finish, enable notifications and background app refresh so Outlook and Teams deliver updates. Confirm autosave is active in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for real-time saving to OneDrive. Share a test document using link or invite and verify permissions. Make sure collaborators can edit if needed. If anything goes wrong, force quit the app, confirm account credentials, then remove and re-add the Office account. Additionally, check the iPad's date/time and network settings. Most sync issues trace to credentials or connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.